If you're at your local Costco and you're looking at the DPS gaming chair they sell, well, this is it. This is all fully assembled, and in this video I'm going to show you all the adjustments so you can customize it to your liking. This does come with adjustable arms. It's one button push. Push the button in, arm goes up or down wherever you want it. Now this has about 2.5 inches of height adjustment. Put it wherever you need, it's going to lock into place. Push it in and just drop it down until it clicks into place. Very easy to adjust the arms on this chair. Doesn't matter if you're tall or short, this has an adjustable headrest. It is adjustable by 2 inches. There is no button, all you have to do is lift up. There is kind of like a click lock system. That's all the way up, that's all the way down. And then as you lift, you'll hear it click into its adjustment spots. So it's very customizable headrest as well. This does have an adjustable lumbar support, but it's basically automatically adjustable. So it kind of rocks and adjusts according to however you move. As you can see, rocks back and forth. It does tilt side to side a little bit as well, but the lumbar support basically automatically adjusts to the contour of your back. This is also vertically adjustable by 5 inches. There's a lever on the right side. Takes you up and down. If you want to go up, you just need to lift up a little bit, bring you all the way at the top, and then it's infinite adjustment all the way down, just wherever you want to let go of the lever. This also adjusts your back lean angle. So if you want to lean back, lever right down here on the left side, lift the lever up. That basically unlocks your tilt. So you can lean it back or forward wherever you want. And then when you get it in the position you want, you can push the lever down, and that's going to lock it in place. If you want to leave it unlocked, you can basically just kind of rock back and forth if you want to. Whatever position you want it in to remain in, you push the lever down, and that's where it's going to lock. I've turned the chair over to show you this adjuster. This is a large round adjustment knob. It's basically your spring tension. So when you lean back, it can either have more or less tension. So if you turn it to the right, it's going to give you more tension as you rock or lean back. If you turn it to the left, it's going to lessen the tension. The chair also has 360-degree swivel. So if you're working at an L-shaped desk, you can easily swivel left or the right. And 360-degree swivel means you can spin all the way around. So if you're at your local Costco and you have to be looking at this gaming chair, don't let it deter you just because it says gaming. We have these in our offices and they work great. I have one that's almost 5 years old and it still works like brand new. These are good quality, a good reasonable price. My local Costco, these are $179 and well worth it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.